friends, and welcome to the Den for the weekend video. So glad to have you here with me in my den. And that's with me, Justin the Red Island Shaver. So let's get right into it. Still citrus week. It is actually Friday when I'm recording this, and I'll get into why. I'm recording it on Friday, but yeah, Soapy Bathman Tropical Lime. Oh, baby, that's a nice lime. Get a look at the soap. Yeah, looks all soapy and shit. I load in the tub. I put it away wet. And you know what? No mold. And that's like a 4-year-old soap. So anyway, yeah, had to get that out there. So get right into lathering this. Going with my favorite brush, the Demented topper. You guys know it. You all love it. I love it. Get a look at that coin. Is that right up, straight side up? Can't read the damn thing. There. Get a look at that coin. Beautiful CoyoteCuts. And we'll get right into it. Soapy Bathman Tropical Lime. Unfortunately, this is unatonium. You cannot buy this anymore because Chris stopped making soap. Which sucks because this was like one of my original favorite Canadian artisans. So we just get in here and load the ever-loving soap out of it. And so yeah, kind of bummed out you can't buy this stuff anymore. I have, what do I have? I have this one. I have Italian almond, and I have lumberjacks. Yeah, I think I have three of them still kicking around. Just great stuff. Absolutely love Soapy Bathman. He was one of the big artisans back, you know, a few years back, and I still love it to this day. Tallow-based soap. I think that's kind of one of the reasons he don't do soap no more, because he went vegan, and guess once he went vegan, he couldn't use tallow to make soap anymore, and I don't believe he's looked into reformulating for a vegan formula. So unfortunately, he's probably gone the way of the dodo bird, and that is kind of sad. Chris is a good guy. He makes a great soap. But anyway, quite a few of us still have some stuff floating around out here in our dens, and I think you would be hard-pressed to see any of us get rid of it. We will just use it up. Just a banging scent on this, so it's just straight up sweet and tart tropical lime. There's nothing added in with it. It's just lime. Scent strength is about a medium. It's about an dead even 5. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Or actually, no, I would give this about a 4. It's not quite as smelly as it used to be. I think it is losing some of its scent. And this is an old soap though. I better start using it up. Used to be about a 5 or a 6. Now we're getting down there. But anyway, so yes, getting into the reason why I'm doing this on Friday instead of Saturday. I will be going live. I think I already mentioned this, but just a gentle reminder, I'm going live with Mel from the not from the Canadian Mafia. He's from BBS.Live. I'm with the Canadian Mafia. So yes, I'm going live with Mel tomorrow. 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Atlantic, and I don't know what it is out in the left coast. But anyway, so that's what we're doing. It's going to be me, Magic Mike from the Canadian Mafia, possibly Beeloo, or possibly Brandon Shaves. Don't know yet for sure who is joining in, but that's going to be the lineup. And Mel and I are doing a giveaway. So Mel is giving away a Simpsons T3 Trafalgar, or Trafalgar T3. I'm giving away a $20 gift card for the Razor Company. And in order to enter this giveaway, go to BBS.Live. Link in the description box down below, and just look for the giveaway post. It'll be a screenshot of an Instagram video that says cannot load video or cannot share video or something like that. Look for that post. There's the giveaway, and just follow the instructions and enter it. You have, I would say, probably until tomorrow to do it. So if you have not done that yet, now is your chance. Go and do it. And we will be giving that away tomorrow. And yeah, look at this lather. This is the Soapy Bathman I remember, I know and love. Look at all that lather. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Although once it's lathered, I am struggling to find the scent a little bit though, which is unfortunate. In the tub, it was pretty strong, but on the face, it's pretty weak. So yeah, the scent is the soap is losing its scent. So don't know quite what I'm gonna do about that. Do I just start plowing through it? Or do I bin it? I hate to bin it though. I really don't want to bin the Soapy Bathman soap. Maybe I'll just have to start using it and just kill it, make it a kill soap, I think. Maybe that's what we'll do. All right, razor for today. This is from my man Sig Solo. Check him out. Link in the description box down below. Go give him a like, a sub, leave a comment. This is the OG Grand Shave King. And get a look at that beautiful, beautiful razor. Let's make sure we get it in the proper light. Yeah, look at that. This is the razor that started the wheels turning in Doug's head from PAA to the double open comb. And then for Yachi to kind of copy him and do their version of a double open comb. But this is the one that started it all. This is the vintage, original Grand Shave King. Courtesy of Lyle the SaskShaver. Lyle bought this, and this didn't really tickle his fancy. A little too mild for Lyle. So I was able to get it at a very reasonable price. And thank you so much for that, Lyle. And yeah, we're going to enjoy this shave. I got a Wizamet in here, 4th use. I actually just popped the blade out of the fine marble, that's all I did. And yeah, first pass done. Soap is nice and slick. Soapy Bathman was always very slick soap. It still holds up to today's artisans. So that tells you something. Maybe he was a bit ahead of his game. And a nice, easy first pass. Super mild razors, these are. There's like no blade feel. There's no aggressiveness. They look like they are super aggressive, but they are not aggressive in any way, shape, or form. You gotta do a lot of extra buffing with these, I find, to get the BBS. Or maybe I just go for the DFS. Great shaving razor nonetheless. I find for me best results are with a good sharp blade. And there you have it. But yeah, it does leave a noticeable bit of stubble behind. But that's okay. We can buff that off. So hope everybody had a great week. Weekend's off to a good start. Going pretty good here, I guess. Not really a whole lot going on. I got some music writing to do. I gotta do a couple intros for a couple people, so I gotta work on that. Do some plugged in work on that. Sometimes I can write music if I'm just playing the electric guitar without being plugged in, and sometimes I need to have it plugged in with that overdrive on for some inspiration, so that's what I'll do. I kind of take it easy during the week. I don't plug in during the day because my oldest son works from home, so I respect that and don't make any noise for him. So this weekend though, it's all bets are off. I am going to be doing my thing. So we get in here. Yeah, this is so mild. It's one of the few razors I can really go just straight across the grain. Still leaving a fair bit of stubble. Just gonna do a lot of extra buffing, I find. And that's pretty good right there. Yeah, it's acceptable. Easy peasy. But it's just so easy to use and just so mild. You don't mind doing the extra buffing because it's not like you're going to shave yourself to the point of irritation. You'd be hard pressed to get a bad case of irritation from this razor, I think. But I do really like it. It is a good shaving razor. Piece of history. I love these old vintage razors. It's really where it's at. The new ones are cool, and don't get me wrong, I like the idea that people are kind of bringing, you know, making sure these things stay alive and in people's dens, which I think is cool. But if you can get your hand on one of the original ones, it's even cooler. And yeah, I think we'll go with that, and that's pretty good. It's a nice damn fine shave. Not quite BBS, but that's fine. Don't need to go quite BBS. We'll shoot for that tomorrow during the live shave. And for cold water rinse. Yeah, very nice. I stick the towel in my eye. That's not really advisable. All right, beautiful. So we will go in with the matching balm. Oh, it's not so much of a balm anymore. It's more of a liquid. That's not good. This balm is old too, but we're gonna see how it feels on the face. The matching balm, tropical lime. Oh yeah, she's pretty liquid. She's pretty liquid. I don't know if that's gonna absorb. I don't think that's going to absorb. That's not really a balm anymore. It's more of a liquid. So we'll switch it up and we will go male grooming. Frankenlime. I think I used this in the last video. Yeah, we'll go with this. I don't really fully trust that balm. I'll have to I'll try some off camera maybe on my elbow or something. See if it will absorb in and see if it still feels good, but I don't know. That may be too far gone, and maybe that's a lesson for some of us to use up your stuff instead of collecting so much soaps and balms, especially balms. Balms don't seem to really weather the years all that well. Splashes, yeah, splashes pretty good, but balms, no, not really. But anyway, that will do the trick. Nice lime scent on that, and that will do it for me. So, hope to see everybody tomorrow at the BBS.Live /CanadianMafia live shave. And if we don't, we will catch you later on in the weekend. So until then, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day and even better shave. Catch you in the next one. Peace.